Welcome back. This is one area that a lot of builders get wrong, let alone the designers and architects. Usually what happens here is that the architect or designer will finalise their plans and then pass it on to one of their engineers. The engineer then just looks at the plans and specifies what is required to meet code. Remember a few videos back, we discussed the importance of logistics on every site. This is especially pertinent at this stage, and this is one area we often save our clients thousands of dollars on their projects. How? Imagine your project is on a narrow block with limited access and the engineer has specified a 300mm PFC beam. For those who don't know what a PFC is, it's a really big and really heavy steel beam that weighs about 42 kilos per linear metre. So if we had a 6 metre PFC specified, this will weigh around 252 kilos. Way too heavy and awkward to lift safely, let alone carry through a difficult access site. So we'll need to allow for a crane to lift it in the backyard. However, cranes have a limited load span, meaning that the further away they have to lift, the bigger the crane required. When I was doing my time as an apprentice for another builder, we had a project where we needed the services of a 32-tonne crane to lift one single steel beam into position at a minimum charge of about $1,000. They were then required again later on in the project to lift another beam. This is about 25 years ago, 30 years ago. Had we, as builders, been involved earlier, we could have guided the engineer and let them know that installation of an extra post would have meant that we could have gone to a much lighter engineered beam and saved that client over $2,000 just on those two items. Collaboration between your builder and your engineer is crucial, and this is one area we tend to save our clients thousands of dollars. As builders, we like to not only hand the plans over to the engineers, but we'll develop a scope of works, we'll take photos, and we'll often meet with the engineers and discuss what we require from them for that particular project. Thanks for watching, guys. This concludes the video series. I really hope you got something out of this and you feel confident to go ahead and start tackling that project of yours. If you have gotten something out of this series, we'd love for you to leave a comment on our Facebook site or even just email us, let us know. If you have any other questions that you'd like answered or another video made, please let us know. Thank you.